PS5 news. Some PS5s have been stolen by Amazon, so Amazon has given cat litter by accident to the people who ordered PS5 instead.
I don't think that's
It's a
an
scam, man.
accident.
It's a scam. People have been getting cat litter instead of PS5s.
30 असली में 30 मिल गया
सच में what?
यार वो भी बिल्ली
Made me
की
laugh.
वो भी बिल्ली की टट्टी.
Like, who was in charge of this? Who decided to send out cat litter instead by accident?
Arnav
The cat.
बोल रहा हूँ. नहीं यार, it might have been like it's all automated, right? So
Yeah, it's probably a computer system malfunction. But people have been stealing PS5s from the warehouse.
I feel it's
Apparently.
deliberate though. I feel.
yeah.
Okay, Akash, can you clarify for the greater public who are adults what is so different about the PS5?
It's always with a new console. It's always there. It's going to be faster loading times,
Definitely,
better graphics, all of this.
I know,
It's
I
gonna
know.
be-
But is there something remarkably different than the PS4?
Akash,
They're
does it have
having
a bionic chip?
PS5s are having a solid state drive instead of a hard drive. Amrit, you want to know more about it?
पिछले वाले में cover drive था ना? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was a liquid drive. It was a liquid drive. It used to leak if you filled your PS4.
When I hear my own jokes, I'm like, I've really gotten old. I'm too
Yeah.
tired.
But yeah, people are going crazy.
I was waiting for you to say that there's a bionic chip or something like that. Then Amrit would
Yeah. Amrit will be like, oh, biology hai usme. Like when we were talking about the iPhone.
Guys, calm down. We're having a mature discussion about the PlayStation 5 by Sony.
बट
Sony.
मैंने जब भी देखा वो सिर्फ लिटरली शॉप्स में 2-3 पीस आते हैं क्या
Oh, yeah.
उनका प्रोडक्शन है नहीं क्या मतलब ये क्या विलन की तरह 2-3 पीस
Production,
भेजते हैं
Coronavirus has
Cat.
affected production quite a bit, so they're
But
struggling
they must
to
have
get
had
production.
it. They must have had it ready for like a year or so, right?
Yeah,
They should.
Sony
should
के
Should have.
Amrit said
Even
No, the
Xboxes, I'm sure.
Okay, Akash,
Except in Abu Dhabi.
the hardware of such massive things is usually ready long ago, right? The
Yeah,
software
it
update
should
will
be.
come. Software update तो separate होता है ना अगर कोई tweaks या
हाँ,
कुछ
software
hardware तो
update
ready
is
होगा ना.
separate. Hardware
तो
should have been
तभी-
ready, but
तो तभी
they've said that
is this just
Yeah.
to boost interest in the product? Do you think
people
deliberately
think
कर रहे हैं?
that, but it's a backfiring now. People are getting so frustrated at Sony for not releasing more PlayStation 5s that people are saying, "I'm done. I'm not buying it now." But Skanta, they'll still buy it. But
And when it comes out next
Yeah.
month, they will buy it.
yeah, they'll still buy it, but it can backfire on them if they did that. And Sony's, well, they've said at least they're not doing this on
अबे,
purpose.
नहीं,
this is
I don't
like
think
this is
intentional
like
होगा ये.
तुम
No.
लोगों ने देखा there was this guy जिसने नया iPhone का वो which was the iPhone with the face thing सबसे पहले जो आया था. तो
10,
right?
तो किसी ने वीडियो निकाला था कि इतने लाख रुपए कितने मैं नहीं खर्चूंगा and that guy went and got a 8+ or something because he said मैं
Nice.
उनको 1 लाख नहीं दूं मैं उसको 1 लाख नहीं दूंगा but I don't mind giving them 50 to 70,000.
Akash, why didn't PlayStation skip a number? इतना advanced है तो. Like Apple ने skip किया ना 9.
Apple skipped because it was some unlucky number, na, for production or something. If I read it right, 9
nine
in
is
China was a unlucky number or something.
नहीं, I
remember
think they
reading
skipped
about it.
because उनकी iPhone की 10th anniversary थी.
Maybe, yeah. But I remember reading a lot of articles like 9 is an unlucky number in China or something.
पर अभी नहीं पर आकाश मैंने ना एक और वेबसाइट टेक वाली वेबसाइट पे सुना था कि 9 वाला बाद में निकालेंगे. सुना तूने?
That would be so stupid if they did that. That's the amount of already they have confusion with.
It was a
Pro,
टेक वाली
Pro
वेबसाइट. वो अरे तू अबे देख तुझ जैसे लोग ना बस प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तुम्हें आता कुछ है नहीं. ये जो 9 वाला है ना, ये जो 9 वाला है ये स्पेशल वाला है. ये अलग से निकालेंगे.
Chemical वाला chip
उसमें एक नहीं अरे केविन ने दिमाग जा चुका है तेरा. उसमें एक बायोलॉजी नहीं 2 बायोलॉजी के चिप होंगे.
But Amrit, PlayStation 6 is going to have a gas state drive. So
तो
it's
मतलब
just-
तू बोल रहा है कह रहा है गैस स्टोव उस पे खाना पका सकते हैं.
Yeah, very good.
If you have a gas stove, then bhai, actually I can convince my wife to let me buy it.
Go on Twitter, say at PlayStation, include a gas stove in your next iteration, and I can tell my wife to buy it for me. It's such a sexist remark as well, but okay.
No, I said permission. You are the one who added the extra stuff that made it sexist.
Anyway, Arnav, are you awake properly now?
अरे completely भाई.
कॉफी पिया है?
नहीं, पानी पी रहा था, थोड़ा सा गला खराब है, तो पिछले 1-2 दिन से it's been interesting. Let's see.
अच्छा, but nobody cares. Why are you pausing in the middle?
Because of corona.
Because of पता नहीं यार. I hope not.
अबे अभी होना होता तो हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत ले.
Yeah, I mean, it's too late अब, जो भी हो चुका है हो गया है. So
Okay, on that morbid note, let us continue with this new episode of the podcast. जो भी हो गया हो जाएगा. वाह.
तू अमृत और मुझसे
दोनों
बात कर,
ना.
जो ऐसे आंसर्स
That's
मिलेंगे.
I swear, Kevin, we try to make it a happy podcast. These two, when is you lost your innocence? He's like, when I saw someone nearly get beaten up to death, I'm like,
Yeah, I thought he'll be like talking about like the first time he watched porn or something like that, and he talks about someone getting beaten up.
Chalo, anyway, welcome to the Vele podcast where we discuss all morbid things to make everyone feel down. है ना अमृत?
मैं
Not
तो
at all.
पॉजिटिव चीजें ही कहता हूँ यार. तुम्हें
I
उल्टी
agree
लगती है,
with
मेरी
Amrit.
गलती है.
I
बिल्कुल.
agree with that. This is the Vele podcast where four friends talk about
अबे एक
random
दिन आएगा
things.
जब तुम दोनों भी, जब तुम्हें लाइफ की इन चीजों से गुजरना पड़ेगा ना, अपने आप
Oh,
ये जो
stop
सारी
being so
खुशी, ये जो सारी खुशी नहीं है, जो सारी खुशी ऐसे टैप खोल के निकल जाएगी. याद रखना.
सारी फेक खुशी, let me clarify.
But you're saying the
पर
PS5 is
आकाश,
fake?
नहीं आकाश को तो नहीं, पर आकाश को तब भी आदत है, तो इट्स फाइन. एनीवेज,
Okay, we have the usual cast on this podcast. Nothing is going to change ever. Kevin, Arnav,
What's up?
Amrit. I didn't wait for your greeting. Sorry, Kevin.
Good.
Gosh, you
Yeah,
horrible.
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा
I'm
अपने
fast
वो सुन रहा था, and it was just weird. तो हमेशा वेट करता है कि कोई हाय बोलेगा, हेलो बोलेगा.
Yeah,
No one is to
I
respond.
realized that, and then no one responds for like, and I have to edit it. There's like a 3-4 second gap where no one says anything, and then suddenly Kevin, in between when I say Amrit, and Kevin just goes, "What's up?" And then it's like,
no, this normally, like, Kevin is very excited for the introductions also for some reason.
Kevin brings the energy to the podcast. Good
I'm
work,
bringing
Kevin.
the energy, and you counter that with morbid stories.
Yeah, such. Kevin brings the energy. It's just
the only thing you bring to any of these things is perversion. That's it. That's all you bring
That's
to
true
the
as
table.
well. I accept it.
Kevin brings the energy, but our audience can't listen to it because Kevin's mic quality sucks so badly. Kevin,
Oh,
we need to fix this. We'll fix this.
Are you making
audience,
fun
don't
of the
worry.
Jabra product?
हाँ, मतलब
Jabra, Jabra product.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Jabra.
भाई साहब, उन्होंने ऑफिशियली बोला है कि उनका नाम जैबरा नहीं है, उनका नाम है जबड़ा. जबड़ा है उनका नाम, तो जबड़ा होता है वो, ठीक है. एनीवेज,
So there are no
Name
movie
those
reviews.
earphones a lot better.
That's in US's one, no? But anyway, there are no movie reviews on this episode. We are continuing from where we left off on the last one on our conspiracy theories.
पार्ट टू. अबे थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट तो ले.
Part 2. Because the first one was so interesting. We all had theories of what happened, and I think we basically agreed with what happened. What everyone believed
No.
on what.
Okay, no, let us never say that we agreed on anything. Let us say we agreed that we don't know.
No.
That's
Yeah,
it.
we are not professional detectives. I want to put that out. Amrit, are you a
Akash,
professional?
there is no controversy over any of our conclusions. बहुत
No,
कम लोगों को
there
पता है.
isn't.
let's just say कि we believe in some theories. That's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, which are still our hypothesis, and we will do the same for the topics today. By the way, disclaimer पहले से डाल दो.
पहले से
मुझे
डाल दो, yeah.
So
exactly
let me
नहीं पता,
just
बस
say the topic
कहना है.
properly once more. We're going to continue with it. If you could investigate one case, mystery, or conspiracy in your lifetime, which would it be? So in the previous episode, Kevin covered the Biggie Smalls and Tupac murders.
Akash, it's
Or
cooler if you had just said
assassinations.
if you just said
And-
Biggie, then you made it so weird
Yeah.
when you said the whole name.
B.I.G. Notorious B.I.G. Let's do that then. Or Machiavelli.
As you're getting more awkward, aren't you? I'm loving this.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
loving this. How
And
awkward you are.
Amrit covered the
Or Big
Arushi
Papa.
Talwar.
क्या?
And-
आरुषि तलवार बेशरम. आरुषि नहीं.
Okay. And now we're going to cover the Lal Bahadur Shastri. I didn't say that. You. We're going to start with the Lal Bahadur Shastri case. Arnav, you're going to explain to us.
Bhai, he's the worst at introductions. Arnav, just take over from now.
Yeah, Arnav,
Yeah.
now you're taking.
Okay. So just to some background, so मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था, but I think movie came out in two years back or something, Tashkent Files, and I know about Lal Bahadur Shastri, but I had no idea about death of Lal Bahadur Shastri and things went behind it, right? So I got fascinated. उसके बाद obviously movie is based on some book called Who Killed Shastri, and apparently it has some evidence based on leaks from KGB. So that time CIA and KGB were two of the only spy organizations, ऐसा कुछ, who were like most powerful organizations who used to control majority of the politics in different parts of the country, according to that book. And
Cold
things
War,
like that.
Cold War चल रहा था ना ये तो.
Yeah. So more context on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was India's second prime minister. I think he was appointed in 1964-63 ke around, and it was the same time when India and Pakistan were at war. And Lal Bahadur Shastri was considered to be one of the very like humble yet aggressive leaders of Indian political scenarios time pe. So he was the one who basically tried to combine. I think what's the Jai Kisan or Jai Kisan,
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Yeah. मैं सोच रहा स्लोगन है क्या उसका है जो farmers और like army को in a way. So anyways, he came up with that slogan to unite the whole country उस time पे, because obviously India का agriculture, and this time India was at war with Pakistan. So there's a lot of history behind why and everything. And he also played a huge part in the White Revolution, which was in a way India started becoming more of a exporter of milk rather than importer. Till then, India used to import majority of the milk, but he was also one of the minds behind I think he started that National Dairy Board or something like that, which basically made that switch. So anyway, so he was
Amul.
But was Amul started that time, or us time sirf national?
Amul was by someone else, but he supported Amul a lot.
Okay. So he was very like, in a way, very down to earth, and people used to relate to him. So that's why he was appointed PM. And one point to remember, he was appointed right after death of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was our first PM. So he was appointed right after that. Okay, so anyways, back to the war. So in 1965, I think India-Pakistan war started. And obviously, Russia and US, they being the most powerful nations, they decided to intervene. And I think somewhere in Russia, a place is called Tashkent. At that time, it was not Russia. That time, it was Soviet Union. Yeah. So उस time पे they decided to sign a peace treaty वहाँ पे. So obviously Pakistani party वहाँ पे आई थी, Indian party वहाँ पे गई थी. And on date, I have written down the date, 10th January 1966. So this was almost 1 year into the war. Peace agreement was signed between two countries. So 10th morning or afternoon, sometime during that time, both parties met and they signed the treaty. It's called Tashkent Declaration. So it's us time pe, and I think the same night, 10th night, and he had no history of any, according to his personal doctor. Lal Bahadur Shastri had no history of like heart attacks or any like previous health existing condition. And suddenly, raat ko, I think around 12ish or 11ish, I forgot the exact time which was documented in the book, but he started getting a chest pain and he was sweating. So he called his
coughing, coughing and everything, na?
Exact symptoms. So like ये सारे जो very symptoms वो सब हुए. So he called his personal assistant उस time पे या जो भी था वहाँ पे. And by the time, I think butler, I don't remember if it was personal assistant or butler, but anyways, whoever came first वहाँ पे, and he literally instantly passed away वहाँ पे, right? And that was on same day when the peace treaty was signed. So initially, obviously, KGB, they were the like main investigating agency वहाँ की, so they were involved. And in next few days, or maybe in next couple of hours, I don't remember exact time, but they arrested वहाँ का butler and some of the other officials who were like surrounding Lal Bahadur Shastri. Initially they suspected that he was poisoned, and they arrested all these folks and they took them for questioning. I think main suspect was the butler वहाँ पे, because who provided the food. food या milk, it was one of them जो last meal उनको दिया था, they suspect कि उसमें poisoning की गई थी. So, but interestingly, none of the I think questioning about they released them because they could not either find proof. Yeah, I don't know on what basis they released all the folks, and body was returned to India. Now imagine he was the prime minister of India उस time पे, who just signed a peace treaty. None of the ना तो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने और ना वहाँ पे केजीबी के उन्होंने वो जो पोस्टमार्टम नो वन रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर पोस्टमार्टम which is very weird. According to family, when the body was returned, it had blue marks. According to either wife or
His wife.
mom.
The wife. She screamed, "Na, zahar de diya."
Yeah, so they had blue marks on his body, and the main thing obviously was even after foul play, because in initial KGB suspected, right? So by normal theory, people were expecting that there will be some post-mortem, there will be some reports which will be coming out, but none of those things were happened in Russia. Even after coming to India, ये सब चीजें नहीं हुआ. Like technically, the Indian PM who has passed away in a foreign nation, there definitely questions should have been raised this time. But I think family did raise some questions, but none of them took it seriously, or none of them was interested. And there's not much information कि वो क्यों release नहीं हुआ and anything. So उसके बाद lots of people actually tried to find out information क्या हुआ. And when RTI Act was passed, I don't remember when. So some people filed an RTI, Right to Information wala Act, under which the government is supposed to reveal some information. Even in that case, one of the replies, which was very interesting from government, was on somewhere on these lines, that it can affect foreign relations. And that was quite fascinating. Like if it was a natural death, it should not be affecting any relation, right? Yeah, he died in a country, he died at a very sensitive time. But apart from that, I don't think if it was a natural death, why would government say anything on those lines?
So I was gonna say, so what do you think happened?
So उस time पे interestingly movie.
No, essentially, there was one more thing I wanted to add, was the Delhi police and the Home Ministry had confirmed that even after they got the body, they could not do a postmortem on it, because a lot of the things that they could test were already removed, and like his body was cleaned up already. So that is why there's some kind of because when the body comes back to India, it becomes a regular Delhi police case.
Yeah, I don't know इस time वो postmortem का वो time frame क्या होता है, like when was the body returned to India and how in like is it a week or right away, वो सब मुझे idea नहीं है. I could not find any information on that, because I don't know, maybe the time was passed कि वो postmortem कितने दिन तक कर सकते हैं. I don't know if there's any scientific thing that you have to do postmortem within X number of hours. I don't know if all those things were applicable that time. या भी. So उसपे मुझे ज़्यादा data नहीं है कि why was it not performed, but
traces of poison can also like disappear after a certain amount of hours also, no?
I assume, yeah, if it was poison.
I think the body flushes it out eventually. But
so they flushed out the body most likely.
But yeah, Kevin is saying that they
flushed out
the Indian authorities have said.
Because initially KGB did suspect कि ये poisoning था. On what basis? पता नहीं. Based on जो भी इनको खाना, I think last milk, if I remember, somewhere said it was.
Yeah, there was a glass of milk which I read that he asked for.
That was the last meal he had, like before going to bed, and this happened sometime like after midnight, I believe. So anyway, so जो मेरी theories थी when I did some research based after that movie. So movie में they have very clear indication they have tried to give कि KGB was involved this time पे. So apparently KGB was very much involved in Indian politics. Like they literally used to pay bunch of Indian politicians उस time पे. And obviously India was right after independence. India की कोई ज़्यादा strong political system उस time था नहीं. India was still getting on its knees, right, उस time पे. So historical context, before Shastri ji, Nehru was PM, right? And Nehru के बाद it was supposed to be Morarji Desai, who was the senior most leader उस time पे. So everyone assumed like Nehru ji ka successor was going to be Morarji Desai. So he was supposed to be the PM उस time पे after Modi. But not Modi, after Nehru. I said Modi. So he was supposed to be the PM, but for whatever reason, apparently there's a guy called Kamraj, K. Kamraj. He's supposed to be the kingpin of all these like moving pieces of time Indian politics. Mein. For whatever reason, in his so-called balancing act, because Shastriji was very young, he was more on the, supposedly he was supposed to unite the whole India that time pe, whereas Morarji Desai was very traditional with his like same thought process.
He used to drink his own urine, Morarji Desai.
Yeah.
He used to drink it.
Oh,
I remember there were jokes. There were jokes saying that whenever they do cheers, Morarji Desai used to do it from his own bathroom, saying cheers to everyone, shouting because he would drink his own urine. But anyway, continue.
But yeah, so he was supposed to be PM, but for whatever reason they chose Lal Bahadur Shastri. So apparently that time KGB was not in favor of all these things. Like they wanted Morarji Desai to come, because in a way they had much better control, being when all these are theories, obviously there's no data to prove कि वो उन पे control ज़्यादा रहता अगर मोरारजी देसाई power में आते तो उस time पे. But whoever this Kamraj guy is, apparently इसमें movie में at least दिखाया कि he's like very big personality who had a lot of control on Indian political system उस time, at least in Indian Congress party per se. And उस time even Morarji Desai was in Congress party, I believe.
Yeah,
he was.
I think
No,
so.
he was not.
No, I don't know.
He was in the Congress. He
later split बाद में, yeah.
अरे before independence there was just there was just one party.
Oh yeah. But he formed.
So that's why he was.
What is it? It was not
Janta
BJP
Party,
at that time. What is the name of the
Janta Party, boss. Janta Party. Janta Dal. They led the Janta Party, and the Janta Dal led. He was their prime minister for 2 साल के लिए.
Yeah, that was much after Indira Gandhi.
Yeah. He became 1977 around में. Morarji Desai.
So that was one of the theories, like KGB had a role to play along with Indian war, because उसमें no one wanted Lal Bahadur, not no one, like जो भी leaders है, they don't want Lal Bahadur Shastri, and at least उस book में लिखा है कि bunch of Indian politics, उनका सब livelihood was driven by KGB. And actually KGB के agents were deployed on Indian war in Indian politics. I don't know how it used to work that time पे, कि were they actually ministers in Indian political war, or they just bought some Indian politicians. No idea.
We were a very young country, and the world was divided between two very specific things. It was post World War II. It's the Americans and it's the Soviet Russia.
Yeah.
So this was very. So we didn't have the non-alignment वगैरह जो हम India करती है. That comes it comes as a direct response to कि हमें तुम में से किसी दोनों एक की साइड चूज नहीं करनी, क्योंकि it was very much like if the Americans don't particularly care what happens to us, but they don't want us to take trade with the Russians and vice versa.
So interestingly, इसी में जो second theory which is floating around, which I believe is more fictional but at the same time very interesting, is the role of CIA. So I found out that उस time पे India and Soviet were on better terms as compared to India and CIA, right? India and US. Yeah. And उस time पे Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, he supported India का nuclear program. So he basically allowed one of the deals to go through for nuclear testing. So he was in support of that. And obviously this time US was not in favor of these things because India and Soviet Union were pretty close that time. So exactly 10 days after or 10 days before, so maybe someone should search it up. Do you guys have heard of Dr. Homi Bhabha? He was considered to be father of Indian nuclear program.
Yeah.
Apparently, yeah, even he died exactly a few weeks before, a few weeks after of Nehruji died, and it was a plane crash, I believe. And Paul?
No.
So it was a plane crash. Even that time, people suspected that it seemed pretty weird कि both people who like in a way in support of the nuclear program, they both got killed in very very unnatural incidents. So Dr. Homi Bhabha की theory एक अलग है why he was killed, and some people say कि CIA was blamed for it उस time पे, again because it was a plane crash. No one, I think it was a plane crash. I मैंने इस पे search नहीं किया,
It was the
but I
plane
think it was
crash.
and
Okay.
I don't think no one could prove anything, obviously, but it's just very interesting. Like both people who were in support of Indian nuclear programs उस time पे, they both got killed within a week span completely unnatural. दोनों की death apparently, and दोनों deaths are controversial. One side to it कि maybe people come up with these theories after they died कि अरे दोनों program से related है, maybe that's why. But it's very interesting considering उस time CIA and Soviet के relations भी. Yes,
Yes,
Kevin?
but ex CIA operative named Robert Crowley was interviewed like about 20 years after the incident, and he confirmed that Homi Bhabha's death was a CIA operation. And
Yeah, so ऐसे कुछ I think he wrote a book, right, Kevin?
yeah, he wrote a book called Conversations with the Crow by Robert
Yeah.
Crowley. And to highlight one more thing, Homi Bhabha was working with the Russians on India's new nuclear program.
So,
And Lal
you're saying-
Bahadur Shastri and Homi Bhabha were supposed to meet in USSR at that time for a combined.
So Soviet basically
can't
backed that
remember
Indian nuclear program, right? Because for Soviet Union के लिए India was one of the allies उनके लिए.
And our trade with them was one of the hallmarks of the entire initial 20, 30, 40 years. I mean, even up till now, अभी जो current India-China dispute है, उसमें जब military exercise Russia में host हुआ था, and Russia maintained a very stoic attitude throughout, even though they are such huge allies with China, that वो एक post independence India में Russia के साथ much more closer bond tha because of the socialistic angle that was
Yeah.
part of our leaders. And I think that is why I am more, because Tashkent, like abhi, then USSR is modern day Uzbekistan, and one of the problems with that thing is like we lost Netaji ki plane is also supposed to have gone down over that area only. And it would be the only reason why I don't think it's the Russians is just because of the fact कि while it's easiest and most compliant कि उनके home turf पे हुआ हो, but the reverse is also true. Like it would just be too blatantly obvious that they would be the ones who will get all the blame
Yeah.
अगर उन्हीं के वहाँ पे हुआ.
What
And
would be the
Russians
And it
motive
didn't make
for
nothing
them?
to
sense.
gain.
Yeah, what is
Exactly,
the
yeah.
motive for them?
Why host a peace accord and kill the prime minister?
Yeah,
No,
exactly.
so apparently ऐसा दिखा है कि they were not in support of Lal Bahadur Shastri, KGB
Okay.
specifically,
Even
because they
then,
wanted Moraji Desai उस time पे.
No, absolutely. But the point is, Moraji Desai was still very much part of the system. And any spy agency which wishes to control knows that even if you don't control the head, India was in a very weakened state then. हम war after war पे चल रहे थे हमारे पास. हमारा इंडो-चाइना वॉर भी है इस टाइम में. If you remember, the encroachment का टाइम चल रहा है उससे एक साल पहले. तो I personally, based on like especially अभी जो तूने बहुत chronological order में भी जो बताया, and plus based on everything I read, I always assumed that it seemed more like a Western conspiracy than like a Russian thing. And like by Western, I mean like more American-based thing only because he was too strong or too social leaning for their liking. You know, I think as a leader.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री was right.
Yeah.
ये कह रहा है. हाँ.
Yeah.
So इसमें even in exactly same मेरा भी ये same thinking थी until I found out that after, so if you think about it कि अगर if they wanted, तो इसमें apparently एक Indian angle भी है कि even India was involved in it apparently again. So because of one reason, so technically if you think about it, before Lal Bahadur Shastri, Moraji Desai was supposed to be the PM, right? So technically once he died, most leader आप expect क्योंकि उस time Indian politics was not like very evolved, right? So उस time you expect most senior leader to take over. But interestingly, Indira Gandhi came into the picture, and that time I don't think, at least I read somewhere, she was not a very senior leader in Congress this time.
No, not
only
at all.
thing she had was she was वो Gandhi family. That's it, right? But apart from that, she had no political like ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा वो. So that's another theory that Indira Gandhi came into pictures right after he died. I think there was one PM for some few days, like the temporary
Yeah,
shift.
Gulzarilal Nanda was the acting prime minister for a while. Yeah.
but it was only for few days or maybe a month. I don't know the timeline. But uske baad Indira Gandhi came to a picture, and obviously Indian history changed, right? Because she was PM for almost 10 to 12 years, I believe. I
मजे में
somewhere
such
around that time.
mid 60s से 84 is her assassination. She loses power for a few years, but like it's
Yeah.
I mean 10 to 15 years of absolute domination.
But वो interesting part था कि suddenly who was not even in line, and think about it, she was also a women prime minister. It was not she was just a prime minister. If you think about it, उस time अभी भी इंडिया इतना evolved नहीं है कि looking at एक कोई बंदी को higher post पे, imagine उस time अभी भी like if you think about it, US में what happened, like people were, एक underline था कि अरे यार एक लड़की president कैसे बन सकती है. Even in a so-called developed country like United States, that was a theory, one of the angles 4 years back when Trump versus Clinton was happening. कि एक लड़की को president बनता देख, lots of people could not digest that fact.
Yeah, I remember one of the Republican conventions of 2016 where they said, oh, you know, a woman, an elderly 60 plus woman said, how will she make nuclear code ke decisions when she's on her period? Someone said,
That's
someone
so
was like,
bad, man.
so someone was like, but unka menopause sab start ho chuka hai, to unko and she just
my
got
God.
confused. She just got confused. She was like, no, she must get cranky. What if she gets cranky and presses the button? Like nuclear code सामने पड़े होते हैं ना ऐसे. You press 1, 2, 3, 4 गया nuclear.
And this was a woman who asked the question, okay?
No, the question asked by a man. What is
Oh,
your
okay. I was gonna be
opposition
like,
to?
a woman.
The man asked very simply, do you have an issue because she is a woman? Are you?
Okay.
And you said, obviously, as president is a man's job.
No way.
So
And
imagine उस time पे in 1960s, she became,
given,
I think she was young, no doubt she was
he had
young.
the most
And
powerful position in the country for India.
yeah, and like imagine कि उसके पीछे क्या thinking गई होगी कांग्रेस की, right? For putting some leader who has no experience उस time पे. Yeah, only thing that she had the Gandhi surname. That's about it, and maybe that's good enough. I don't know.
I think that counts a lot, right? Because people
That counts a lot.
In,
Abhi bhi, man.
no, abhi to obviously, but abhi
Yeah.
it's like, but imagine in post-independence India, Bapu dies 1 year later. So then that name and तुम first prime minister की बेटी हो, obviously that will have a very,
counts a lot.
what else would bind a country, you know?
I think it was
At
more
that
of a
point.
unit. I think to me it sounds like more like a unity act, because that was guaranteed to unite people. Because not how many people are going to oppose a Gandhi family member being the
Exactly. So वो उसका exactly counter argument है, right? कि maybe it's for uniting the country because she belonged to a very prestigious family that time पे. So maybe to unite the country after a prime minister's death, maybe it was so exactly उसका counter है कि maybe that's why she came into the picture. But exactly couple of years back, she was nowhere to be found on Indian Congress के उसमें. I think she was one of the very like low level ministers, I believe. So that इसलिए that angle is there. There's possibility that Indian politicians were involved who wanted to promote Gandhi. This is one of the theories which they have pushed. No.
But wait, Arnav, did you say this changed your thinking from the American angle?
No, this made me think, yeah, it's possible. I still believe it's
Okay.
American angles when I found out about Homi Baba. That's why I was like, oh, dude, yeah, this is very suspicious.
That very specifically, like I think their political leaning in those times, and to think that a large area like India would fall under socialist control, especially understand this 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s में these people were hunting communists like they were the Hollywood में जो arrest हो रहे थे, कोई communist word इनके दिमाग में, they attack Vietnam in that, I mean it peaks with Vietnam, but these people were against communism from as a concept itself. उनको डर था कि one of the number one election slogans was to avoid the communist takeover of the world, because China itself was such a scary thing. Then the Soviets post World War II, and it was just none of this they could control.
Western world तो हमेशा उसके against ही रहा है, like starting from that era, right?
So, yeah, but it was at that those 30 years are the worst. So that's why it makes sense to me that they would come after.
If you look about
it's a theory.
Benefits,
who knows what happens? Yeah.
If you look कि फायदा किसको होगा, CIA makes most sense because obviously of the political relations वहाँ पे, and at the same time the nuclear program. If they can actually suppress one of the Soviet Union's one of the strongest allies उस time पे from getting nuclear weapons and all these things. And उस time पे these things used to be a big deal, right? कि who will own the power was defined in terms of army or military or India. And even now, actually, nothing has changed. But उस time पे it was much more evident, like कि अरे whoever gets the access to nuclear power, they are considered to be one of the superpowers उस time पे, right?
Yeah, more blatant.
And
Na?
US
World War में post Hiroshima and Nagasaki, everyone realized that whoever controls this actually controls everything.
Whoever drops the
Japanese-
last one.
Yeah, after what they did to the Japanese, what was done to the Japanese in the war, very specifically in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, it became quite clear that this power is so lethal that that you can put to end many things. So
And one
it's
of the
clear
things
they
that
would never
Robert
want
Crowley
India to have that power.
one of the things that Robert Crowley highlighted in his book was CIA was worried about a collective domination in the area because of India and Russia as the nuclear accordance. So that is why the exact words was a strong deterrent was required at that time.
Yeah.
To stop
Or,
that.
And उस time पे these things used to happen.
Arnav, there is one thing that you said that I think makes it, when the RTI is filed, I think the country
And they said
the country
foreign.
for whom I think we'd say no most is America. I feel the country जिससे हम कुछ भी हो, we would not, either the last government and this government would not want to like blatantly create any sort of open hatred against.
Because
would
if it was
probably be the Americans.
Yeah,
Russia,
because
I
अगर
still feel it
Americans
would
थे, because it has transition, right? Now India का stronger ally seems like, on paper at least, seems like US.
100%.
So अगर वो angle भी है, then it makes sense that they won't reveal if they were actually involved.
We actively export manpower to that place. Like we cannot afford technically. And now, last year के बाद, we know कि we need them much more. I'm not like, we are already fighting with the other superpower.
Yeah.
So, दूसरी तरफ, there has to be a balance.
But also,
But it was
even
fascinating.
if you think that it's the CIA that is involved, one thing you cannot take like or ignore is there is no way that none of the Indians knew about. Like India did, like a part of the government did not know this was going to happen because there was security. India's security had to have been there. So in order to go around that system, someone had to have known. So even if it's CIA, someone in India knew about it.
So I don't know if security का इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ role होगा, because उस time पे it was not a big thing, right? कि security और सब, it was not a very, जो protocols अब follow किए जाते हैं, उस time पे it was not that, they were not that stringent उस time
And the
पे.
Americans couldn't protect their own president from getting assassinated in the 60s.
Exactly. तो इंडिया का पीएम तो like sure security होगी, but I don't expect कि कुछ बहुत और man कैसे मार दिया. I don't think
Kevin,
that was a.
And you're also the country you're talking about at that point is modern day Uzbekistan. उस time का USSR, it is like a place that is much more, once you're in, I don't think बाहर से too many forces can monitor also to that extent. It's not developed to that point also. So I'm not saying he had no security, but I don't think it was as hard as now. Like assume now, अभी तुम सब visa लेने जब embassy buildings जाते हो, you have seen how walls कैसे है, like दिल्ली के उस area में जहाँ पे सारी embassy buildings है, जहाँ visa मिलता है, तुमने देखा है ना वहाँ पे क्या होता है? Like they're like fortress literally. Like तुम्हारे diplomats are protected like कि क्या invasion होने वाला है. So I don't think that used to happen then.
But I do believe कि maybe कुछ लोग involved होंगे. It's hard to say if it was security or some politicians or some who was involved, but I'm pretty sure someone should have been involved, right?
Do you guys think
something that prominent? Definitely, some people must be aware, but I don't think it's the immediate security detail or something, because they would be the first people would go after, I think.
Yeah, and it's easy to break these things in USSR, as Amrit said, right? USSR was time काफी controlled environment में था.
You guys say that you think it's a combination of CIA and opposition parties that might have been behind.
I think based on everything.
Obviously we don't know the pakka answer, but think.
Yeah, if I have to pick one, I would pick CIA just because of the nuclear program makes too much sense for me. To derail that program makes complete sense for CIA, right? other theory of KGB, it's like ठीक है, sure, वो Indian political system को ऊपर नीचे कर रहे हैं, but apart from that उनको इतना कुछ रशिया सोवियत यूनियन को इतना कुछ एडवांटेज नहीं था उससे, apart from इंडिया की political scenario पूरा चेंज हुआ था. Like I do agree कि अगर वो नहीं मरते, Indian politics would have been a very different scene.
And
Just
and I
reading about
honestly,
it, man.
and I
But
honestly think
exactly.
Russia might have
Huh.
tried to hide the autopsy information because it's an insult to them as well. Because you don't forget, like in Russia versus US, there was one thing the Russians had was like a hell lot of pride in it. So you cannot. I don't think the Russians are going to accept the fact that like a person like a PM of India that they were supposed to protect was poisoned. They're not going to accept.
They
Either way,
they
US
that
is not going to.
on their home turf they couldn't protect one of their allies head of state.
Yeah, especially when they found out कि अरे CIA involved था, then तो they had to hide it, right? कि मतलब CIA हमारे घर में घुस के foreign country के उसको, if they managed to assassin them, if it was true. But yeah, even that makes sense कि अगर they tried to hide it intentionally.
Just reading how, I don't know how accurate this is, reading how it happened was very weird. Basically, it says January 11th, 1:25 a.m. Shasti woke up coughing severely. The room he was put in had no phone or intercom, so he walked out to another room to tell his staff to inform his personal doctor. Calling his personal doctor. By the time the doctor arrived, Shasti was dying. The symptoms were of a heart attack. There was not
Bhai,
much the doctor could
the
do now.
dog-
He
the-
began to
the-
cry. Babuji,
No.
you did not give me enough time.
Yeah, he calls Bapuji and then Shri Ram ka naam jap ke he dies.
Yeah, Sriram.
Then the doctor 11 years later dies in a car accident, and the guy who was the personal cook then ends up working at Rashtrapati Bhavan or something. उस article में लिखा था. I think तो डेली हो या किसी का article पढ़ रहा है क्या?
Yeah, daily.
Yeah.
That's
So when I was reading that, I was just like, wait, none of this sits.
yeah, सच में ना?
ये
I mean,
क्या
it's-
बोल रहे हैं ये लोग?
इसलिए usually I
That's why I
don't
don't know if
take
how
these
it's
like
accurate.
जो उनके last sentence क्या थे कि वो बाबूजी did.
Yeah.
So I don't know how true all these things were. Like it might be glorified.
For me, the only part of it that was like वो जो blue marks and उसकी Lalaji's mother says मेरे बेटे को जहर खिला दिया, and I think that is the part where it's like if there had been some sort of investigation into a very very important crucial leader of our country, things would have been much different. But again, like you understand long enough कि like 20 साल, it was 19 years after independence or something, 66 में हुआ है ना ये, तो it's like
66, yeah.
एक young country जैसे हमारा था, that उसकी how easy it was back then, how vulnerable we were, and how they had to like navigate to this point.
Can I
Because the
highlight
same
one
Morarji
thing?
Desai 10 years later would run against when Indira Gandhi comes to power, uske baad Morarji
Yeah.
Desai and the Janata Party movement would come and destroy her, and she would declare emergency, then she would lose, then she'd come back, then she gets assassinated. Like India के पहले के कुछ साल पढ़ो तो यार it's like कोई thriller movie चल रही है up and down.
Yeah, I mean,
But actually, I just want to highlight one thing. I don't blame them from hiding this. I know it's wrong, but to be honest, to reveal the information that your prime minister was assassinated is going to cause a lot of panic in the country. I think I can understand why they didn't do it at that time.
Can I tell you now, Kevin? Now, if there was anything by which they could blame it on an inside hand of the then people in power, they would, which is what makes me feel like it is going to blame a foreign power, and
Yep.
nobody wants to do that.
What
And the
Arnav
only
said,
pe-
na? That if they can't reveal the files because foreign affairs might get affected or something.
No, exactly. They said like it would affect. They literally said it. So
Yeah,
that's why I
basically
feel like there is a huge international hand which nobody wants to admit, because it's like देखो भाई, हमने बड़ा monument भी बना दिया उनके नाम का, अभी 50 years हो चुके हैं. Let us just casually
Sad, but
move away from this topic.
but
We are
ऐसे
in a
कितने
different place
secrets
now.
होते होंगे ना जो ऐसे like in
loads,
countries
man.
के files
Yeah,
में
can
clean
I-
होते हैं.
assassination,
can I say that
So
like it's essentially ये जान के एक point के beyond I don't know what क्या कौन क्या उखाड़ने वाला है. sometimes I feel like it's very कि तुम what the spies have done. Like
But
हमारे
it's
spies ने
yeah,
बाहर जाके क्या किया है, उनके spies ने आके यहाँ क्या किया है.
it's just a
I
what if
hope our
question,
spies
right?
also do stuff like this. No, it's I feel like the family is the only one who should demand answers, and
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel it's cruel to them. Like उनके grandchildren.
They have the right, definitely.
They have the right.
But-
They are the people. Wo.
Most.
But that's the sad
then
part,
at
right?
that-
Family is too small of a
Hmm.
unit in this whole ball game. Like
They
एक
can't
family के लिए
Abey, they have
move
family
them.
members in they have family members in Congress, BJP, and Aam Aadmi Party. So
See, the
tension
thing
नहीं
is
है.
that
But-
if there was a backhand Congress play in it, by now BJP would have revealed and the
Exactly. See,
whatever
that is
image
my
of
thing.
that. Yeah,
That's
there is-
if there is any leader who, even if it was from the Janta era, if it was a leader, if it was internal hand का जरा सा भनक भी होती ना, even if officially वो नहीं होता, there would be a leak for sure, because it's such a simple thing. Like Lala Saab is such a powerful and important leader. If there was any Indian leader who could be, and both sides, just let us not say कि 2014 के बाद ही, the original RTI is 2009.
yeah,
If
उस
they
time तो
had to-
कांग्रेस थी.
if they could implicate someone also, वो भी करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब हर कोई ऐसे. In simple point is everybody knows there is somebody जिससे हमें फालतू में वो नहीं करना. Very simply put.
These political assassinations are very interesting. I mean, JFK, this Lala Shastri, and then Benazir Bhutto. Also, there's so many, like, history has been
Littered
filled with
with
all of these
dead leaders.
Exactly, it's sad. But let us move on to a brighter thing. I thought I'd pick up a more brighter topic, if you can call it brighter. My topic is now on the Illuminati. Amrit, I feel like you've been itching to discuss this for some reason, because you
Akash,
believe
what I'm itching to do is to tell everyone that you choose like the most basic topic ever.
I choose the brightest topic ever. You guys chose all these sad deaths. I didn't want to go too much in deaths. For me.
Our audience wants the masala.
Does
Wants
the
to know.
Illuminati exist? Is my basic question.
I was about to say our audience wants to know.
Acha. Oh, Kevin,
Okay,
Kevin
so a
Arnav,
little,
please keep quiet. Let Akash take over.
so a little history on the Illuminati. So the original Illuminati group was actually founded in Bavaria, which is Bayern. Now in German it's called Bayern. It was Latin script is known. Yeah, Kevin is dancing. Bavaria in the 18th century by I think it was a professor, Adam
Wait,
Weiss.
Arnav, that's your team.
Yeah, Bayern.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, no, that's it.
It was founded by Lewandowski, Robert Lewandowski.
Hi.
No, Adam Weishaupt, a professor who wanted basically to kind of limit the religion's interference in public life, like religion-based decisions to govern societies, basically, which sounds like a very smart thing, in my opinion, how it started.
Are you
That's-
Illuminati?
Yeah, I'm part. What's the sign? So, the sign of the Illuminati is a triangle with an eye in it, or a pyramid. They have some kind of eye in it. We'll
That's
get
it.
more into that later. Yes, Amrit. What you're doing is very vulgar. Okay, now it's fine. So basically, he was convinced that religious ideas were no longer an adequate.
What's
belief
his name?
system. Adam Weishaupt. I don't know. I might be butchering his name. He's German. So he wanted to move on from that. So he decided to find another form of like illumination. So that's how the illumination term came, and then he became the Illuminati. He based this secret society basically on the Freemasons. That at that time Freemasons were popular. Like people used to make secret societies and everything, but this one society was the one that stuck out. It had quite influential figures join the society.
Wait, so this was an actual group that was formed. This was not just some theory.
Group. No. It was an actual group. So, but obviously in now popular culture, it's become this that it's behind all these things. Like even coronavirus, the Illuminati people believe are behind it. Michael Jackson's death behind it. Donald Trump's presidency behind it. Everything. Like you can think.
Maybe Lal
they've all
Bahadur
said.
Shastriji's death was also
Maybe behind it. So it's really ridiculous. But the government disbanded it. They made crackdown on secret societies in 1780s. They said that all secret societies will.
I was about to say, sorry, Akash, just to interrupt for 1 second. I was
So
about to say
boring.
that the Bavarians wanted to sign Sunil Chhetri in future. That's why.
Abbe, I can see
He's
Kevin
like-
falling asleep in the middle of this. तेरा Illuminati कहाँ क्या कर रहा है ये? आकाश, इसमें
Sorry,
excitement
Akash,
कब
go
आएगा?
ahead.
But
Okay, but
where
now
is
to
the
the
funny
more
part?
exciting part of the Illuminati. Okay, that was a little history.
I
So,
thought Dan Brown invented Illuminati.
No, it was there before. Dan Brown and some angels and demons, basically reading. Yeah, so Dan Brown brought it into popularity in a way to pop culture back. Amrit is right about that kind of thing.
Abbe, who is Dan Brown? ये तो
Dan
बता
Brown,
पहले.
the author of Da
Oh,
Vinci
Arnav,
Code,
you,
Angels and Demons,
these are all famous
Inferno,
books. Just
all these
because you
famous
don't
books,
read
yeah.
stuff.
Arnav started reading it. I remember in Purdue, one book, Amrit, you gave it to him. I think it was Inferno only.
I never gave him those kinds of books.
Yeah, but the
Books I
Amrit's like,
said-
oh, he just screamed, oh, mar gaya. And then he went quiet and stopped reading. I remember that clearly because I remember looking at it. But anyway, yeah, Dan Brown brought this into pop culture in a way due to angels and demons and Illuminati being behind. So members of the Illuminati, it's very interesting. So Jay-Z and Beyonce are one of the top members of Illuminati. I have no understanding because in their music videos, Jay-Z always does this. He puts a triangle in most of his and puts an eye through it. So people are like
Bro,
Illuminati.
that's the Rock, the ROC.
Yeah.
That's not.
So, but they associate because that's the logo of the Illuminati. People are like, he's part of the Illuminati. But in a more people who are like think seriously about it, it's the Rockefellers, rich families, the most powerful families, Rockefellers, the Rothschilds. They're all behind. They have a lot of money, and you hardly hear of their names in public, even though they're so powerful.
Isn't the idea that Illuminati ka essential logic tha ki these were
They're
powerful
behind the
people
scenes.
who control the world from
Control
behind the scenes?
Yeah, behind the scenes. That's basically what. So the Illuminati people, like I said, believe that the Illuminati is controlling the whole world, governments and everything. They have the main influence, and these are the people with the most money and the most power, and we never hear of them. That's why the Rockefellers and Rothschilds family are the most linked ones, because you hardly ever hear about these guys in public.
Can you give
fact,
a
in
local
18
example? Like जैसे for Indian cricket, is it Ravi Shastri? Like he pulls strings from behind. Is that what this means?
Except Ravi Shastri is known in the public. Yes. In
Like,
Indian
in fact-
public, yes. This is what is
No,
known. Ravi Shastri is a
in-
perfect example.
I think the Illuminati was like a secondary group, right? The original group was like some Ordo Templi, whatever, some Oriental, some bullshit like that, right?
The Knights Templar, Kevin, and then Altair came in
Yeah,
Assassin's Creed and
Assassin's
killed them.
Creed.
essentially they say that in Germany, like around like late 17th century, early 18th century, like a big part of the ministers used to be all part of this group.
Yeah.
And
There was a
later
lot of
on,
influential people.
I think later on the Catholic Church declared it as and at that time the Illuminati group was an official group. Like people below 30
Mhm.
only people below 30 can be recruited into it.
Wait,
And
हमारे पास 2 साल है मतलब ज्वाइन करने को.
Yeah.
no, essentially
केविन
the
और मेरे पास
belief
2
is
साल भी नहीं है.
essentially because people who are 30 and after, they are too set in their ways, so they're not going to change their beliefs. But apparently, so Illuminati became the the image of like, they're going to control from the like from some place. I mean, what do you like? They are controlling strings from the background.
Kevin is trying to say
Actually-
control from the background. He said
Movie
they
say-
control from some place.
Yeah, so they control from the background. Essentially. Yeah.
So there is an
Okay,
article.
let me finish my point.
Yeah, let him finish.
कुछ बकवास एक point भी नहीं बोला दोनों चीजों ने.
This is why I chose this topic. You all had to make some stupid shit, laugh about it instead of the
एक
serious.
तो Jay-Z पे पहुंच गया.
Abbe,
Hey, Kevin,
this
he's
thing is
believed to
made.
be a very
This
influential figure.
this group did not exist, and like ये chatbots में they just made it famous कि
No,
कोई भी
no,
unexplained event में Illuminati करते हैं और
There's no
काले
proof.
आकाश
There's no
आकाश
proof.
comes with the topic ओए Illuminati
no,
this
no.
is
Illuminati used to exist, and they were a
Yep.
prominent group in the 18th century. And they became the back end and like the background. This image of them controlling everything from the background happened after the Catholic Church declared them as illegal, and people started protesting against them. It was what do you call a crime to be part of Illuminati. So that's when they became like a silent group essentially. So now, like before that, it was very openly acclaimed. Like if you were a member of Illuminati in 18th century, you were normal. But like mid 18th century, they declared it illegal.
So when did Ravi Shastri join this?
So, but Amrit, you believe that there are some rich families who control.
No.
नहीं,
I just
but
believe.
एक मिनट, तो तुमने स्टार्टिंग में पॉइंट किया कि ये सारे इसमें जो मेंबर्स हैं दे आर वेरी बिहाइंड द सीन्स, बट द नेम्स यू टुक, Jay-Z, he is not behind the
No,
scenes.
so that's the
Rockefeller
thing.
Foundation,
Jay-Z
Rockefeller,
and
they are not
Beyonce
behind the
are
scenes.
public figures of the Illuminati, they say. They
Abbe, what
advertising the
Arnav,
Illuminati for some
Oh.
reason. Why would you advertise
Arnav,
it though? I don't get it.
Arnav, like the point
Social
of the
media
Illuminati is that
managers.
Social
they would-
media, basically.
they would put their symbol out in non
But-
obvious ways, but Jay-Z वगैरह इतने खुले में अपनी आग के ऊपर डाल के
Yeah.
दिखाते हैं,
इतने खुले.
so that
You see
पर-
in his music videos, he goes like this, and his
Yeah.
eyes in the middle of it. But
and then camera वाला आता है,
yeah,
भैया,
and the camera is
Illuminati.
angled like Illuminati. But people, non-believers, people, blasphemers say that he is doing this on purpose just to make conspiracy theorists people happy. Liars
But
are saying this.
Rockefeller-
Because we all know Illuminati
Rockefeller,
exists.
Rockefeller Records symbol is a pyramid, which is also another symbol
I
for
convinced Kevin.
Illuminati. That is why people
But-
think that Jay-Z and Beyonce
Arey,
are part of the group.
But even Rockefellers, they are not some behind the scenes. They are very much in public domain.
They public,
अरे,
not in the news as much. Now they say
if you go
like they're
if you
big pharma and everything.
if you go to them and you tell them, uncle जरा अपने कपड़े उतारो, then उनकी body पे Illuminati लिखा हुआ
There's
है
a tattoo.
बड़े-बड़े शब्दों में.
There's a tattoo of a triangle. That's if you notice in the picture he hides. He wears full sleeve shirts. He never
अरे,
wears.
न्यूयॉर्क में there's a whole building Rockefeller Center नाम से. क्या behind the
अबे
scenes?
उसका एक्चुअल नाम था Illuminati बिल्डिंग, फिर ये क्या हुआ, कॉन्स्पिरेसी वालों ने बदल दिया.
Actually,
ये हुआ.
so on the US currency now, if you look at, there's another controversial
There's-
comment.
Kevin has
Actually,
taken
Akash, I
over this
think
whole topic.
You can
Go
go
ahead,
over it.
Kevin. No, but there is. He's right. On the US dollar also has a symbol. It is all connected, or no? I'm telling you. So my
Essentially,
question was.
Okay, एक minute.
Guys,
My counter is Chinese currency पे है क्या?
नहीं.
अबे
I've
वहाँ
never
पे वो
managed to get my hands on the Chinese
यही तो
currency.
ट्विस्ट है. दिस इज समथिंग केविन के रिसर्च में भी नहीं था. वहाँ कैंटोनीज में Illuminati लिखा हुआ है. सोचा तूने कभी? है सोचा? ये होता है ट्विस्ट.
But they haven't written in Mandarin yet.
That's why you will never join it. तू देख ले, तू कभी Illuminati में नहीं होगा. देख ले.
Amrit is
So the
already
notes-
part. They
so the
specifically
notes
came
have-
to Amrit's house to recruit
अबे,
him. They said, "We need you."
हम सब Illuminati नहीं है, हम उल्लू है. उल्लू में लेंगे हमको. Illuminati में कोई नहीं ले रहा हमको.
So on the notes, there's Eye of Providence, and that is accused to be like the essential angle to it is God is watching over humanity. That is the significance that they claim, and then the counter conspiracy theory is that is the Illuminati symbol, and Thomas Jefferson, which is one of the founding fathers of was one of the major Americans who were part of the Illuminati.
अर्नव,
So
do you have a
that
note
is the
हाथ में भी?
conspiracy theory.
अर्नव, note check करियो.
भाई कौन सा
No,
note?
he's saying $1, not.
Do-
Not like
Dollar-
a written note, like a
डॉलर का नोट
Amrit, use proper English. Okay? Get a buck out. You know,
अबे
put it in
careful
the sunlight.
अबे be
If you find
careful
Illuminati, yeah. If you find Illuminati symbol, lock your door.
अबे अंदर से
Very
रवि
good,
शास्त्री अंदर से रवि शास्त्री निकलेगा देख अभी निकल
भाई केविन कहाँ पे है सिंबल इनका?
बोला
But
Oh, this one.
हाँ मिल गया इल्यूमिनेटी
Exactly,
मिल
yeah.
गया
Exactly, yeah.
yes.
Now draw an eyeball in there. Oh, there, it's already there. Okay, done. There's an eye in there. Don't worry. See, proof.
Mm,
It exists. But
nice.
my question was,
I need to
do you
check Chinese
believe-
currency or Indian rupee now. उसमें है
I
क्या?
don't have Chinese currency on me, so I can't fact check that. But
Indian
do
rupees
you guys
are way too cheap to print it.
do you guys believe that there is some higher power like controlling stuff behind apart
Yeah.
from like government?
We call God
I-
उनको basically.
God, I swear, I'll
कुछ
slap your
लोग
head.
लोग
Say
अपने
God,
अपने लैंग्वेज में भगवान बुलाते हैं
Yeah.
apart from the invisible
No, no.
forces.
I'm sure there is a group, but I don't think they have that much power that people are talking about.
Then what the hell are they doing then? If they don't have that much power? They क्या स्मूदी बना रहे हैं रोड पे बैठ के साले?
It's like the flat earthers group. Akash.
Kevin is
It's like
trying
the-
so hard to try to talk about
He's
the
trying to be
Illuminati.
serious that there is something. This is not my intention. But
But flat
But
earthers,
they-
it's like the
but
Akash,
on a
it's like
small
the flat
station-
earthers.
oh
flat
yeah, it
earthers,
is.
right?
It is 100%. It is. But
Abbe,
Michael
worse
Jackson's
than
death.
flat earth.
Michael Jackson's death. Michael Jackson said to his son, "They're coming to kill me." Janet Jackson said they killed him. But when they were asked who, they're nothing. No answer came out. So I don't know if that's true or anything. But let's see.
What does that
They will
example prove?
Come out. They will soon come out and to the light, and they will tell us themselves, the Rockefellers.
वो नोट से बाहर आएंगे.
Yeah. No, Ravi Shastri will come out and say, "हमने किया है."
Actually, there's one more thing. I read that apparently Madonna said that
Yeah. She's also said.
people accuse her of being part of Illuminati, but then she says that I actually know who all are part of the Illuminati.
But this is not just for publicity, Amrit. Stop thinking that. It's all
Who knows?
it's all legit. Okay, Rihanna was also named the princess
Wait, what?
of Illuminati. I don't know why. But she
What,
was
Okay.
what
named
did you
Yeah.
say? What is her name?
Rihanna was named as the princess of Illuminati.
But okay,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
major problem with this
Yeah.
theories is with कि जो तू नाम लिए
No, no.
Jay-Z, Rihanna और ये सब Beyonce या जो भी नाम लिए तुम सबने,
Abbe, if
They're not
Arnav
even
can
powerful
pronounce
people.
the
Arnav,
name properly, what's wrong with
how
you?
how are you finding problems in this theory? Sir? Shut up. There's no problem. Okay. बकवास करता है.
मतलब these folks are just celebrities. They're not even powerful.
They,
Kevin,
they are
Kevin,
recruiting.
Kevin,
They are recruiting.
Kevin, you give me a sketch pen. I will draw Illuminati on you also if you want right now. Really?
See, look, listen. Hip hop served as this soapbox for people to talk about issues that were relevant. Oh no, this is totally against Illuminati. So leave it. We're not going to mention that.
Arnav, these guys are rich. So chai pani kaun खरीदेगा साले? Only the rich people. So they need the rich.
You एक minute. You have a big misconception that these folks are rich, by the way. Rich for us. They are nowhere on the scenes of most powerful or most richest people. by
They're
the
not
way.
on the
I mean,
Rockefellers or Rockefellers.
उनको अभी
Those guys
Jeff
are like
Bezos थोड़ी ना मिलेगा. They won't get Jeff Bezos. He's going to be like, what are you going to give me in return?
एक और Amazon बनाएगा.
No, they are recruiting, Kevin. Through
याद है,
music,
याद
they
है.
are recruiting. It's
Through
not.
Amazon.
Through
Amazon को
Amazon?
इंडिया में याद है
Yeah,
Amazon को
Bezos
इंडिया
has
में
been recruiting
याद
through
है?
Amazon. Every delivery
चुप रह.
comes.
ओए,
There's a
ओए, चुप
small
रह, चुप
hidden
रह.
insignia.
Amazon का याद है नाम जंगली रखा था यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Yeah, it was Jungly dot.
It
Jungly
was-
dot.
it was actually.
Oh, yeah.
And they had the arrow thing on the jungly.
फिर उस जंगल का हुआ
Amazon
क्या
logo.
वैसे? What happened to the jungle? जंगल
Deforestation.
जल गया.
But interestingly, उसने Amazon नाम भी उसी concept पे रखा है, which I recently found out.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you think he was naming Amazon after then?
नो आइडिया, मुझे
There's
लगा
only
कोई
the
भाई
rain.
और कुछ होगा है. इतना
अच्छा,
स्मार्ट था, मुझे आइडिया नहीं था वो कि उसकी बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डाइवर्स, उसमें बायोडाइवर्सिटी काफी है, सो इवन माय कंपनी विल हैव ऑल दीस थिंग्स. सो इतना मैंने सोचा
So
नहीं
it's
था.
like people say Microsoft is named because there was a joke Bill Gates' penis was micro and it was soft all the time. Someone wrote, I was like, hi, so bad. I was like,
Poor guy, man.
when I go down this rabbit hole down Reddit page conspiracy theories, all these jokes came out. It was hilarious. I swear. I
So
laughed.
you are saying कि जो भी US president बनता है, they are part of this group, right?
Yeah, Microsoft. They are all
And if
part of
they,
Microsoft.
whenever they've died, they've tried to fight back against the group. Basically, that's always there. Michael Jackson, it's like, I do not want to be part, I want to tell the truth. And the Illuminati's like, time to go. And then Donald Trump also was voted out because he was like, I am the most powerful person now.
Yeah.
I don't need to be part
He was like,
I do not
bro,
need the
no, he was.
Biden,
They're
come
like,
on in.
they're like they're like bad members who don't
Yeah.
like, you know. It was like,
But they
bro,
could have assassinated him, right? वो नहीं किया, लगता है weak हो गया है group थोड़ा.
नहीं, अबे the most prominent was, have you heard of that band? Fourth String करके band था, वो भी Illuminati की वजह
Oh
से.
yeah, that was a very bad
Oh.
band. That was a very bad band. The Illuminati refused to have any ties with them. Illuminati
Bhai, forget about Illuminati. Even Purdue
Yeah,
refused to have any ties with them.
Yeah, exactly. For our audience listeners, Fourth String was Amrit and Kevin's and other people's band. So
Hey,
that's
even
the
you were
joke.
part of it, Akash. Don't try to.
Nee,
Yeah.
on paper, I was not part of it. Okay, I never did one
No,
performance.
Akash, not even on paper. In general, also you were
In
not.
general, I was not part of it.
बीच में there was serious discussions कि आकाश को lead singer के लिए लेने
Yeah,
वाले हैं.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
But-
and as anyone who listens to the podcast knows,
And I
once
have-
you hear Akash talking, you know that was a very
I
bad
have it
idea.
on good authority that if I was seeing the Illuminati said we were going to be recruited. But anyway, let's move on to the next topic. Kevin is like, end it, man. Let's quickly go into NBA trade rumors. Let's just discuss it. NBA has been very entertaining. Trade rumors
Right.
have been all over the place. James Harden going to Brooklyn Nets. Is this a possibility? I do not think so because Houston has to be a bunch of idiots to give Harden for nothing. They have to get either a KD or
Harden.
Kyrie.
I was like, you said Houston has to be a bunch of idiots to get a hard on for nothing. But okay.
Also that, but yes.
Yeah,
But the fact that everyone wants to leave Houston, PJ Tucker, Russell Westbrook, James Harden, all these guys.
Why are you reading the headline and the first line of the article? Abhi kaam ki
Which
baat, say your
article?
own. What's your own opinion?
I've opened our documents, but the fact that these three want to leave is very weird to me. That
you
all of a sudden-
you really think anyone will leave इसमें से?
no one will leave.
I think they
Yeah,
will.
but-
They will all end up staying back, especially because they have signed DeMarcus Cousins now.
Yeah.
Bhai,
But it's like DeMarcus Cousins is not a big
he's,
thing
he's 10
anymore.
10 days away from his next injury. So like,
Yeah,
Yeah, ऐसा
बेचारा.
मत बोल यार अमृत.
बेचारा.
Like it's same as Klay Thompson, right? Back to back major injuries.
I'm sorry. We were talking about
They're all
Deadpool before
copying
this.
Derrick Rose. They're just bad imitations of Derrick Rose. Bichara got injured back to back. All these guys are also trying to get injured. It's so sad.
But Klay Thompson के पास championship है आकाश.
Does he have an MVP?
He doesn't need an MVP. उसके पास
Exactly.
championship है. Who cares about
He did.
MVP?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Who cares? Do you care?
Amrit
don't
is just
care.
in general. Who cares? Amrit is just in general. Who
Where-
cares
where is
about
Derrick Rose
anything?
playing? Which team does
Good
Derrick
Derrick
Rose
question.
Good question. Where is he playing? Is he playing Detroit?
Detroit. So far, yeah. Detroit.
अरे
Is
नहीं,
he
he's
still there?
commentating. He's on Inside the NBA this year. उसमें वो
Whereas inside the NBA is the best thing about when the NBA starts. I just love watching those guys just
Yeah,
talk
that's
rubbish.
our amount of interest in NBA trade rumors. Yes.
No, but okay. There were
Okay,
rumors.
Akash,
Giannis is
why don't you
recruited.
ask everyone's favorite trade and then people
Yeah,
will
yeah.
say something? No.
I was getting into that. I was going to talk about trade. Doc Rivers going to 76ers. All these interesting things happening around the league. So let's start with our biggest NBA fan, Kevin. Kevin,
So,
what is your opinion on trade rumors? Kevin actually did research. I know it. Kevin actually did research. He told me. Kevin, what is your opinion on the trade rumors?
I'm going to be
Very good,
the
Kevin.
first one. I'll be traded in for James Harden.
You'll be traded for James Harden.
Abhay, they don't just get people because they're bald. That's not the criteria.
But why? I was reading. Why does OKC want Chris Paul in any way? So that's
No, they got rid of him. He's in Phoenix.
Yeah.
No, wait. Oh, okay, then I'm wrong. Who cares? Akash, I did not research at all, by the way. Just saying.
No, Kevin, you did do research because you had articles. I remember you telling me. Not now. Last week.
Joel Embiid to Warriors. What do you guys think?
Joel Embiid to Warriors. There was a rumor because before Doc Rivers.
So we are talking about trade rumors. Got it.
Rumors. Abhi. We don't have any inside information. Okay, Arnav, go. Your trade rumor that's exciting.
Mr. NBA.
Yeah, Mr.
I
NBA.
think James Harden wala. It will change the dynamics of East versus West ka फिर से, which is weird. जहाँ भी James होता है, usually that's the more dominant one.
We change the dynamic. It's always like one team very powerful in the East.
No, but for the first time, East will be extremely powerful in past how many years? They will right away championship favorites, right? I mean, yeah, Kyrie Irving, Durant, James Harden. So it depends on Durant की health, right?
इन तीनों के पैसे उनकी टीम में चौथा और पांचवा प्लेयर कौन होगा? कोच और कोई बॉल बॉय? पैसे तो होंगे नहीं, बचेंगे नहीं किसी के और के लिए.
That's the weird part. I think I've realized people are spending a lot more these days. Maybe in the cap शायद change हो गया होगा. I don't know. They're spending कुछ भी पैसे देते हैं कुछ भी players को यार.
The cap is coming down. For me, the most ridiculous thing was Gordon Hayward का deal. Like वो 4 साल
Bobcats. But the Bobcats are known to pay like overpay every player.
But he's what? 31, 32?
30 boss.
And
by
he's
30.
been given what, like 30 million or something like that?
Abhi, 120 for 4 years. 30
4 years, yeah. So 30 per year, yeah.
Which is crazy.
In his most unproductive years, he'll be getting the highest of those.
He had back-to-back.
Can you imagine?
As well?
Yeah. And
no, I think he had only one injury, right?
He had one really bad injury 2019 के
yeah.
साल में तो Cavs
and then he had another injury
first match में Kyrie के साथ जब बोल रहा था पहले मैच में जो इंजर हुआ था. He has never recovered from that and now he is going to earn one. I mean, good for Gordon Hayward. उसका
good for him, man. Yeah,
but
good.
like I can't believe that they paid him that much.
No, the thing is they also have to get audience, right? So Bobcats के लिए क्या है? I mean, the only source of revenue is
Gordon Hayward attracts so much audience.
By their team is LaMelo Ball, Terry Rozier, Gordon Hayward, Nicholas Batum, and उनका 5 कौन? I don't know, Cody Zeller or someone है जो
even apparently rumors are Batum they will trade him away or something.
They need to. He's got a big
said
contract.
They'll stretch his contract. So that's an extra 9 million for the next 3 years that they can't touch.
I read somewhere कि Lakers ने याद है Deng Lakers signed Luol Deng.
They're still paying him.
Yeah, and NBA refused.
NBA refused.
They tried to say कि let his money not show on the books, and the NBA said fuck off.
I think Lakers still owe him some $5 million for next 1 or 2 years.
Remember that was the time where they made all these atrocious deals like Luol Deng को दिया था इन्होंने, Timothy Mozgov को किसी ने दिया था, ये KCP वाला deal.
Kevin Garnett is still getting paid by Boston Celtics still right now, even while retirement. He's still getting paid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, as a pension.
His contract, I don't know if it's rumors. No, it's a pension. But it's like there was some stipulation in his contract that he would still get paid I think 8 million.
But that's still fair. It was we are talking about Kevin Garnett, right? He changed the
Kevin,
I just said Timothy Mozgov and Luol Deng. But Luol Deng in that Bulls team when we were in college,
he was great.
When Rose was really good, Noah, Boozer, Boozer वाली जो team थी with young Jimmy Butler, I think that was a good team. I really liked that.
That was a solid team. Deng also played really well for Bulls at that time.
Dude, उन्होंने Heat को almost हरा दिया था, right?
Yeah.
That was the year he was MVP, right? Rose was MVP.
He was MVP.
I think
they went to the East
2011
Finals में हारे थे वो.
East Finals, we won. Bulls won 2 games, then Heat won the.
Yeah, Akash, the team that wins 4 games goes to the next round. दो game जीतने से कुछ नहीं मिलता. But Akash, what's the trade जो scares you?
Is Giannis Antetokounmpo getting traded or something like that?
No. He has free agency coming up, but
2 years from now.
I think that's secured. Which point guard did they sign? Milwaukee again?
Drew Holiday.
Holiday.
Drew Holiday.
Which is a very good addition actually. Drew Holiday is
He's a
I mean,
very good.
Great addition.
But I don't know if that's enough.
Yeah, nowhere close to.
I think they should have
championship.
gone for Chris Paul. They should have tried to go for
Yeah,
Chris Paul.
especially
perfect, I felt.
his play, the way he played in the playoffs, and like
The way
came
he
so
led
close
that
to
team.
like,
It was like
bhai.
it would
Yeah,
have
for
been
me,
such
what
a
was the
feel-good
you know
moment
what was
for
the
him.
true sign of the leader? Game 7, na, if you remember right at the end with 20 seconds left, इनको technical foul मिला था, and Gallinari ने लिया था वो
Yeah.
shot, and people just asked right afterwards in the post thing, they asked this guy Chris Paul, कि why did Gallinari take it, and he immediately just cuts off the reporter by saying, जब भी technical foul होता है, Gallinari ही लेता है. अगर कल हमें वापस मिलता, अगर chance होता, he would still be the one to take it. That's a very good leader in my opinion. He would have been very good around like Giannis and that.
Yeah.
But I think no matter which point guard they sign, I don't think he's ready for that final.
He's not ready to. I don't think he's ready to win yet because I don't think he's
Yeah.
as
No,
complete
yeah,
a
he's
player.
not.
In
He's
that
not.
entire
His shooting is very
no, because the same thing happened to him as the Raptors series. Like जो Raptors से 2 साल पहले हुआ था, that same thing reversed itself. Once that first step post the 3-point line is stopped, then he just turns
Then he-
very clunky. And for
And-
me, the world's best player ever is Chris Middleton because उसको 180 million का contract है और वो घंटा करता है पूरे series में. I enjoy him the most.
with the way
180
Miami took them
million.
out, man. The way Miami took them out, and I was like, my
Bhai,
God.
That's the sign.
they should
right?
have been
Any-
swept. They should have been
Milwaukee,
swept in that
yeah.
series. They go 4-1.
Milwaukee needs help.
That fourth game was a fluke.
I was like, Milwaukee. I was thinking that Giannis is gone. Man. He's like going to be frustrated. He's going, I'm just gone.
But this time
Imagine
अगर
though.
Harden
Imagine
वहाँ
if
पे
he
नहीं गया ना,
joins the Lakers. वाला तुमने rumor सुना था? Giannis,
Yeah.
AD, and
I think
LeBron
he
on the
could
Lakers.
even join the Heat.
Can you imagine?
Yeah,
I
he's
can't
been
see.
linked
That's the
with
thing.
Heat.
I don't get like NBA fans का वो कि तुम how can you support any other team when those three have it? Like the support in the sense कि like तुम कितने deflated feel करोगे? And then I was just going back to like as a football fan, like imagining those Madrid teams which had like Zidane, Ronaldo,
No.
Beckham, and Casillas, and like
But
everyone.
ये
I was
जो-
like, oh, it happens. Rich teams.
I don't think
always,
this is a वो this is completely fan क्योंकि it's on paper at least it's completely out of place. This अगर if it happens
no. They were
AD,
discussing
James,
it on.
and yeah, I mean
Arnav, what's the
I mean,
position in
after
that?
seeing the
Who
Warriors-
plays what? Who plays
It's
what in
like-
that? Who plays
Uh,
what in that?
no idea. But it's on मुझे official क्योंकि यार I think nowadays positioning has changed a lot. Like James
Yep.
can play any damn position, right?
No.
James can play
see,
center.
because James
Yeah.
doesn't need to play 3 or 4 in this at all. So I'm assuming he's the one point guard. वही है इसमें. I'm assuming.
But he's not in that age group to play a point guard now. उसका
No,
game
no.
is not. He's like he has to be more of a support role में eventually जाएगा वो, which is that's why he has signed with AD, right? And that's why maybe he wants Greek freak, but that
I think he
seems a
still
very
wants
off
that
combination.
one MVP. He needs one more MVP. He really
he
wants
needs
that one.
he needs rings, boss.
No.
Yeah,
He
I
also
don't think
tried-
MVP is going to
No, no.
change his.
I think he also wants that one MVP as well.
I know he wants the
Mm,
MVP, but he
okay.
needs 2 more rings.
2 more
for
rings
sure.
to tie. But
Because then he has enough of recency bias that people will consider him greater. Because I think
Yeah.
at
the fact
5,
that he already called himself the best as well is very
no, and he
made people
eclipsed.
even
I think I think people are no longer, and I feel very sad saying this. People don't count Kobe in the argument anymore. It's mostly LeBron and Mike.
Which is
Mhm.
fair because
I don't. No. Okay, logically yes, but now I don't
Logically,
like
yeah.
that logic. No,
sure.
no.
I mean, it's the emotional or
that's-
sentimental angle is
Yeah,
fine.
that's fine. For me, until even after the third Cleveland series, I was like, यार body of वो इसके around teammates को ज़्यादा improve करने के लिए clearly is better than Kobe. But
No doubt. If
now,
you're
after
going
last
just
year-
by the pure game, who is more skilled, yeah, then you can pick Kobe. But if you think about who is good in leadership, who is good in
who is offensively more skilled? It's Kobe. I don't think Kobe played remotely as good defense as LeBron. Overall, I think LeBron is a much better
No,
passer.
I-
He's a much better defender.
he's a
He's
much
a-
better passer, but not a much better defender.
Defender, I disagree. Defender, I don't think LeBron earlier maybe he was a good defender, but
Yeah,
now his
but-
defending has regressed so much.
Even if he's at his worst regressions also, you look at those teams which the Kobe हर साल playoffs में जिन भी team से हारा है और जिनके against वो कर रहा है, I don't particularly think when compared to LeBron, I'm not saying he doesn't defend, but I always felt that it was more about on the other end, which is why I always took Mike over Kobe, because I thought Jordan ke liye defense was more like a izzat wali baat. I need to at this
even
time
Kobe
run a
that
play.
way, he always felt like, no, I'm going to take, even at like when he was 36 or something, he was like, I'm taking the best player still. I'm going to guard that best player no matter what. Like guarding Kyrie Irving, I remember everyone was like, oh,
for-
like standing on their feet watching him guard Kyrie Irving.
for me the sad thing was जब last game में वो Gordon Hayward को धक्का मारते जा रहा था ऊपर नीचे, जब वो यूटा के अगेंस्ट 60 points नहीं मारे थे उसने.
Hmm.
That was very sad.
But back to the trade rumors, Lakers
But
turned
why-
out to be the best team, even during off season.
But
I
why
think
do you guys,
they'll win. I think.
but why you guys
Lakers
think
are-
that Kobe is not in the discussion? Because
He's old.
he did win 2 championships on his own, right? Like essentially by his own. There was no big star with him.
Where he
For
was
me,
the
it's-
main focal point of the
Gasol
Yeah,
is an
offense.
all-star.
we cannot say
Kobe,
there was no big
that's one.
star. I mean, there's always
Gasol is an
some support.
Gasol is a Hall of
Gasol
Fame.
is a star. He's all of him.
Gasol is going to be in the Hall of Fame.
But compared to what the people who are around LeBron,
Yeah, because Kobe had Shaq.
Which level
Shaq
Kevin-
was that big.
Kevin, 3 of them come with a transcendent player. Imagine
Yeah.
Giannis completely developed in the post and has all those other things. But like Shaq was like this monster who just couldn't be stopped. He was a generational
He was a
player.
freak of nature.
No, I'm not
Shaq.
counting the first 3. I'm talking about the last 2.
Yeah, he has 2.
championships.
I think
Yeah.
no. And when I said he's no longer in the discussion, Kevin, I meant like people, public, dimag mein also. Mere liye, you ask me, I'll still say Kobe beach mein, but I have to kind of concede that as an overall player at 4.
And you know,
and
that's
feel
the
he's
sad part.
better.
It always happens. And it will happen with everyone, right? As the time progresses, maybe in 50 years, no one will
Zion.
consider James or Jordan as a woe.
I was
Best
gonna say
player.
Zion.
By
I
then-
thought Arnav was going to say no one would consider Zion as the best player of all time. I
No,
was
no.
gonna be like,
It's a narrative thing, na, Kevin. Like best player ka wo jo hota hai. Like when you go by generations, my dad used to believe that whatever happened, the best batsman India had was Sunil Gavaskar, and I'd be like, "Pagal ho gaye, Sachin
Yeah.
Tendulkar hai India ka best batsman."
Yeah.
But then my dad would
It's
just
all-
say ki, "I've seen you." He wouldn't brush me off, but he would just say, "Okay, I saw him play. Okay, मैंने गवास्कर को खेलते हुए देखा है." And it's like he has that confidence ki like मैंने देखा है तो हमारे टाइम का है तो I don't know if that's, and I would still say Sachin, so I can't blindly say Virat. Like I'm not saying कि I will not accept it. I'll just say कि मेरे दिमाग में मेरे लिए. So it's the same way for us. I saw more of LeBron, especially Heat era में. I was like actively in front of a TV watching.
Mhm.
Like I'd go to the playoffs and be like, मुझे देखना है Heat कैसे कर रही है. Then Cleveland और Warriors वाला जो era आया था 3 साल का, I wanted to watch that. And so kind of you just accept कि okay, this guy probably is the greatest ever excited. Now if he wins 2 more,
Based on the current path, he will definitely he will be above Kobe. If he wins 1 more, he should be regarded as above
Yeah,
Kobe.
Yeah,
but
in terms of-
greatest Laker will probably be still Kobe.
oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's
I think
never going
greatest
to change.
Laker is a different
I don't think that will
is
ever
never-
change.
overall player.
That
Overall
won't
player.
change. Inside Los Angeles, unfortunately, he will never be the best Laker. He
Best,
might get
no.
into the top 5 Lakers though. He might.
But Lakers have like Magic Johnson, Kareem,
I know,
Shaq.
I know.
But
all
you know,
these
I've
guys.
never compared James and Jordan. It's a very unfair debate. I think James and Magic Johnson is a
Because they have similar
No,
play styles.
Arnav, and Arnav, that's the saddest part. James इतना उस level पे है that he leapfrogged Magic Johnson, I think, long ago. In
no, he
people's
has.
mind.
He already
He has,
has, I
he
think.
has.
Long ago.
But he should be number 1 in that category, right? I don't think you can compare like
Magic
Shaq to
won-
Michael Jordan.
Can you imagine Magic won in his rookie season and he final game he played as a center or something, right?
Yeah, and he
because
scored some
Kareem
crazy
Abdul-Jabbar
number.
was,
He scored some
injured.
42 points. Can you imagine?
He had a triple double.
Like in the most physical, rough, tough, super psychotic era, he scored that. Like, but abhi he's known as the guy who tried to tank the Lakers 2 years ago, Pelinka wale kaand mein. Like it's how narrative changes with time, na logon ka. Like it's ridiculous. But yeah,
But Lakers will most likely repeat, yeah.
Maybe Clippers, man. You never know. Trade Paul George. Get Giannis there instead.
Giannis.
Koi nahi
Giannis.
kahin. I don't think they will trade Paul George. Yeah.
I don't think so, but there are rumors that Kawhi is like, you asshole, you don't score.
wait,
shit.
let's
Get out."
let's end the episode by
But
everyone
anyway.
trying to say his name. Giannis का full name बोलो ना.
silent. No one
Yeah.
wants to try.
How does Charles
Simon-
Barkley say? Giannis,
Antetokounmpo.
Antetokounmpo.
It's Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Giannis, yeah, Greek freak.
Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Giannis
Antetokounmpo.
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 You guys are so backward.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. Oh, Greek freak. Okay. Anyway, recommendations now. Let's go for it. Arnav, you say you put your hand up. You had a good recommendation.
Guys, enjoy life. Jada ro mat, stress mat lo. That's my recommendation.
There is a paranoid movie on Netflix called Andhakaram. I have seen it over the course of 4 days in piece part
Don't
mein.
watch it.
Interesting hai.
But why 4 days? If it's interesting.
Oh, because he's been busy.
मेरे पास time नहीं है एक मिनट
Oh,
का
अच्छा
तो-
इसलिए. Okay.
Kevin, what is your recommendation?
This is my free time. मेरा break ये है तुम लोग.
Yeah, Illuminati discussion was his free
I
time.
don't have a recommendation there.
My recommendation, I haven't watching. I watched Enola Holmes some time ago. It's a good movie. Watch it. Amrit, I think you might like it. If
I've
you have
seen
the
it.
time.
I've seen it.
Yeah, did you like it?
No.
Exactly.
It's okay.
It's okay. But it had some Guy Ritchie kind of
Vibe to
thing.
it, yeah.
Vibe to it. Like that. Okay, guys. Thanks for listening to this episode of the podcast, Vele Podcast. We are available on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on YouTube. Follow
Chalo.
us on the Instagram page at Vele Pod. Until
You
next
really
time.
If you really have nothing else to do.
Yeah. Until next time. Oh, shut up. You're supposed to be promoting. Until next time. See ya.